Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to Ancytalks. Today, we've got an exciting topic to explore: how to make money from scratch. If you've ever wondered how to turn your skills, ideas, and determination into cold, hard cash, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Let's get started. Step 1. Discover your passion and skills. The first step on your journey to making money from scratch is to discover your passion and skills. What do you love to do? What are you good at? This could be anything from writing, designing, cooking, teaching, or even gaming. Your passion and skills are your starting point. Step 2. Identify your niche. Once you know your passion and skills, narrow it down to a specific niche. This will help you target a specific audience and stand out in a crowded market. Step 3. Create valuable content. Now, it's time to create valuable content related to your niche. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Share your knowledge and expertise to attract an audience. Step 4. Build an online presence. To make money online, you need an online presence. Create a website or social media profiles dedicated to your niche. Engage with your audience and build a community around your content. Step 5. Monetize your passion. Here's where the magic happens. There are several ways to monetize your passion. 1. Freelancing. Offer your services or skills to clients or businesses. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission for each sale. 3. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, templates, or digital art. 4. Ad revenue. If you have a blog or YouTube channel, you can earn money through ad revenue. 5. Consulting. Offer one-on-one consultations or coaching sessions. Step 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is crucial. Connect with others in your niche or industry. Collaborations can lead to new opportunities and help you reach a wider audience. Step 7. Invest in self-improvement. Keep learning and improving your skills. Invest in courses, books, or workshops to stay ahead in your field. Step 8. Be patient and persistent. Making money from scratch takes time. Be patient and persistent. Success rarely happens overnight. Learn from failures and keep moving forward. Step 9. Manage your finances. As your income grows, it's important to manage your finances wisely. Budget, save, and invest to secure your financial future. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money from scratch. Remember, it all starts with your passion and skills. With dedication, hard work, and a little creativity, you can turn your dreams into a reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's looking to make money from scratch. And as always, if you have questions or want to share your own success story, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us today. Keep chasing your dreams, keep hustling, and keep making money from scratch. Until next time, take care, and see you in the next video.